Alright, you just purchased your Clix windshield wipers. I'm going to show you how to put them on a pinch tab wiper arm. First we're going to do is raise the windshield wiper. So, we call it pinch tab for the reason. On the back of the wiper arm there should be two tabs that if you pinch them together in the back and push the bottom of the blade forward, it should detach. Okay? You see this little tooth here? It usually is hooked underneath something in the front. Alright, so you see when you put it on, it hooks on and clicks in. So then we do it in reverse to take it off. Pinch the two tabs, grab the bottom of the wiper, slide it forward, and now it's off. Now we're ready to put on our Clix windshield wiper. So our Clix wiper is ready to be installed. First thing we're going to do is remove this protective blue covering from the wiping elements. That just slides right off. Okay? Now we have our C-clip. Alright, so we're going to install the C-clip right onto the wiper. We want to make sure that the wiper is facing the correct direction, and you'll see it's designed with this spoiler and this scoop on the front to create some downforce during operation. Let's make sure that the curve is facing forward towards the way you're driving. Alright? Now we're going to put the wiper onto the arm. There's two buttons in the front. We're going to squeeze them together and push forward on the hood to release the hood. So it slides on pretty simple. There's a little tooth in the back here, and it's going to kind of line up and hook right underneath this in the wiper arm here. So just get it into place, press down on it, and you'll see that everything lines up real nice. Once it's all lined up, close the hood, and you'll feel that everything is secure and ready for operation.